Hey, hello guys. Welcome to our course. So this is the start of our series. So to become a virtual assistant. Okay, so let's start. So ito na yung outline natin for the course, guys. So basically, may five parts tayo. Ito yung number one is introduction lang talaga. Yung understanding what is a virtual assistant and why do people need a virtual assistant. Of course, i-discuss ko rin dito yung mga advantages and disadvantages na sa last part. Okay, so number one is understanding a virtual assistant. Number two is basically getting started. So it's all about getting started, how to set up your PayPal account, kung ano mga banks natin na pwede mong gamitin, and kung paano ka ba mag-register into PayPal account, and paano ka rin maggamit ng digital wallets mo. So dito ko rin i-discuss ko rin yung mga PC versus laptop, and ano bang dapat na internet connection mo, and of course your budget. So exciting yung part 2, guys, so be sure to take down notes talaga in this part, and actually to all parts. And number 3 is how to set up your creating your online profile. Basically yung mga topic natin dito is how to set up your resume, your profile picture, and of course i-discuss ko rin dito yung mga Slack, Trello, yung Skype, kasi ito yung mga main tools na ginagamit ng client natin. And in order for us to take advantage about it, so kailangan natin malaman yung mga basic na mga tools na ginagamit din ng client natin. So in this part, i-discuss ko rin sa inyo, guys. Okay? Dito ko rin ipakita yung mga application guide natin, how to make your job applications, mga cover letter, and mga preparation mo rin sa mga interviews mo. And marami pa talaga sa part 3. So abangan natin yan, guys, sa part 3. Ang part 4 natin is dito ko i-discuss yung mga types of virtual assistant jobs, uh, yung mga digital marketing, mga social media management jobs like WordPress developer, yung mga logo making. Dito ko i-discuss yun, guys, sa part na to. And dito ko rin i-discuss yung how to rate yourself, kung magkano bang ang dapat mo i-rate sa mga client mo. And of course, itatopic ko rin dito yung mga different freelancing websites. I think I can discuss maybe around 20 legit na mga websites. Ituturo ko rin sa inyo dito, guys, yung how to apply for jobs, and of course yung mga pre-interview preparation nyo. So ito i-discuss ko rin dyan, and mga what to do during the interview and what to do after the interview. So basically yung part 4 natin, guys, is medyo exciting din. So abangan natin yan sa part 4, okay? And sa part 5 natin is yung mga final tips na lang natin. So reviewing, basically itong part 5 natin is just reviewing your performance. So ang dami talaga. So just be sure to stick around. And ito yung mga 5 parts natin, guys. So part 1 is understanding a virtual assistant, part 2 is getting started, part 3 is creating your online profile, part 4 is your guide to job application, and ang part 5 natin is yung final tips natin. Okay? So yun, guys. So see you sa next video. Mag-start na tayo sa part 1 sa course natin. Okay? So that's all.